Hi everyone, we are Group 3 and we will present a comparative analysis of three metal casting process, which is sand casting, die casting, and investment casting. Casting is one of the oldest manufacturing methods. It involves pouring molten metal into a mold to create a solid part. In this presentation, we will compare this process based on mold type, process complexity, process steps, surface finish, production volume, part size, cost, and applications.
The first process is sand casting. It uses a sand mold that are destroyed after each use, so the mold cannot be reused. The process is simple and flexible, making it suitable for both beginner and industry. The steps are: first, a pattern is made, then the sand mold is prepared around it. Molten metal is poured into the cavity, cooled, and finally the sand mold is broken to remove the casting. The surface finish is raw and often requires additional machining. Sand casting is the best for low to medium production and can produce very large parts, such as engine blocks or machine frames. It is a low-cost process and is commonly used to make engine blocks, pump housing, and large machinery parts.
The second process is die casting. This method uses a metal mold, also called a die, which can be reused many times. The die casting is more complex and requires high-pressure machines to inject molten metal into the mold. The process steps are: molten metal is injected under high pressure into the die cavity, cooled, and then ejected once it solidifies. The resulting parts have a very smooth surface finish, often needing no further machining. Die casting is ideal for mass production and works best for small to medium parts. The initial cost is high because of the die and machinery, but the cost per part is low when producing in large volumes. It is commonly used for automotive parts, electronic housings, and industrial tools.
The last process is investment casting.
It uses a ceramic mold made around a wax pattern, and the mold is broken to remove the part, so it cannot be reused. Investment casting is highly precise, but the process is time-consuming. The steps are: first, a wax model is created, then it is coated with ceramic material to form a shell. The wax is melted away, molten metal is poured into the ceramic shell, cooled, and finally the shell is broken. The surface finish is very smooth and detailed, making it ideal for intricate parts. This process is suitable for small to medium production and for small complex parts that require high accuracy. Investment casting is expensive and it is used in aerospace, jewelry, and medical instrument.
Now, let's summarize the three casting processes. First, sand casting uses a sand mold. It's cheap but gives a rough surface and is used for engine parts. Next, die casting uses a metal mold. It's more expensive but the surface is smooth, usually for car parts. Lastly, investment casting uses wax and ceramic molds. It's costly but very smooth and is used for jewelry and aircraft parts.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We are Group 3 and this has been our comparative analysis of metal casting processes.